Hello everyone, welcome back to the video in the progression series. In that arithmetic progression, we are solving on that some questions. So let us solve this question. First, let us understand this and let us solve. Let us solve it. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. So, up to here, to reduce air pollution, in a school students started to plant trees and in the school and around the school. So they decided to plant the trees according to the section and according to the class. Means according to the class, if they are studying class 1, they will plant one according to the sections, they plant one tree. Okay, if they have three sections, then they'll plant three plants, then they plant three trees. Okay, in their studying, I hope you understood. If not, I'll explain you after studying this. Be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, here see here a section of class 1. If a student is studying class 1, will plant one tree. Okay, if a student is studying class 1, if he is studying in class 1, he will plant only all the students will plant only one tree. Okay, a section of class 2 will plant two trees, and so on. If a student is studying in class 2 of any section, 1, 2 or 3 of any section, will plant two trees, and so on up to class 12th. Okay, there are three sections of each class. He is saying there are three sections of each class. How many sections we have? Three sections. How many trees will be planted by the students? Okay, how many classes are given? Let us solve it. Classes first to 12th, right? First to 12th classes we have, 12 classes we have. So if the student is and sections, how many sections he is given in the question? Sections, three sections we have, right? Okay, if a student, if x y z students are there studying in the three sections. Okay, let us not take this example. Okay, if class 1 have, class first have how many sections? Three sections. So each section will plant how many plants? Three plants. They'll plant three trees, right? How many trees they plant? Three trees, because class 1, each section will plant one tree now. So they have three sections. Class first, this is class first. Each they have three sections, right? Class 1 have three sections, so each section plant one tree. Okay, each section plant one tree, so it becomes three trees. Okay, in the similar way, class 2 will plant according to the class 2. Here the students are studying in class 1, that's why they'll plant only one tree according to the sections. Okay, 1 2 3 sections they have. According to their class, they have to plant only one tree. If the student is studying class 2, each section, three sections is given, so each section students they have to plant two trees because they're studying in class 2. Okay, similarly, if a student is studying in the student studying in class similarly if the student is studying in class 3, then he has to plant, or he or she, here they have to, sorry, he or she or not, they have to plant. They have three sections, again they have to plant three trees. Each section they have to each section have to plant three trees. That means we get 3 3 3. So in that way, what we get a series of the terms, a series of terms we get, right? So let us write this, let us write a box. First of all, I'll draw a box and I'll write the information and the series of numbers there. So look at here, this class, I have written class tree planted. Class 1, they have three sections. Each class have three sections and they'll plant the trees according to the class. Class 1 have three sections and they will plant one tree because they are studying in one class, first class. Okay, so 3 into 1, 3, and the students who are studying in class 2, they'll plant two trees because, and they have three sections will plant, each section will plant two trees because they are studying in, according to their class they will plant the trees. They are studying in second class, so we get 3, 6, 9. And you can see if any student is studying in class 3 and he will plant any they will plant, sorry, they will plant three uh, they have three sections and each section will plant three trees. So the total is 9. 3 into 3, 9. Similarly, we have 12. We get 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, and 36. The terms we get is 3, 6, 9. So I'm writing the terms here. 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. At last we have got 36, right? Here we got the terms, the terms, the series of terms we got in this. This is the A, and the common difference in both is 3, because in all are the common difference is 3 between the terms. So D is 3, common difference is 3. So he is asking us to find the total trees are planted by the students, right? So Sn is equal to Sn, here n is equal to 12, right? So what is Sn formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. You can use this formula, or simply you can use Sn is equal to n by 2 into phi, because we have first term and last term in the series L. Arithmetic progression, we have this is the arithmetic progression. So in this we have last term and the first term. So write down the so here we get what we get here, a plus l, first term plus last term. So Sn is, n is nothing but 12, right? Because the number of classes are 1 to 12, so 12 terms. N is 12 by 2 into first term is 3 plus last term is, what is the last term? 36. So here 36 we have. So write down S12 is equal to 6. I have cancelled it. Ones are sorry, 6 is a, so we get 6 into 3 plus 36 is 39. So multiplied 6 into 39, we get 5, 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 is 23. 230, 234. The number of plants, sorry, the number of plants, the total plants planted by the the total trees planted by the students are 234, right? I hope you understood. According, just it is you need to understand it. So according to the classes, they have planted the trees, and each class have three sections, and according to the sections they have planted, according to the class they have planted trees. So we get the series of we get a series of terms, that is arithmetic progression. And he is asking us to find the total number of planted trees, the total number of trees planted by the students. So the total number of trees means sum of the terms, right? Sn formula, I have taken two formulas. We have, you can substitute either, you can take either of the formula, you get the same results, but I have taken simplest one because we have first term and the last term in the series, in the series. So S12, so the total classes are S12. So S12 is equal to n is 12 now, so 12 by 2 and 3 plus 36. After substituting this, after solving it, we got 3 234. I hope you understood. um, I hope you understood clearly. Then bye bye.